Okay students, today here we are going to discuss the difference between direct personal investigation and indirect oral investigation. Okay, now see, on the basis of, first we will write on the basis of meaning. So you will write the meaning that direct personal investigation, in which there is a direct investigation. They directly ask questions, investigator directly ask questions to the informant, and the indirect investigation is that investigation in which the investigator asked questions to the third party or third person indirectly, who is called as witness. Now see, the second point of base is your contact with informants. So in this, what we can say, direct personal investigation, there is a direct contact between whom? Between the investigator and the informant who is giving information. And in this your indirect oral investigation, there is a indirect contact between two person. Now see, the next is your field of investigation. So in case of field of investigation, this direct personal investigation is suitable where the area of investigation is small, and here where the area of investigation is, see, it is written the investigation field is where large. Okay, now see, the cost in terms of time, efforts and money involved, we can say it is more costlier and this is less costlier. And as we compare on the basis of language and culture habits, so if the investigator is creating the direct contact between the first person, so it becomes the very important to know the language and culture habits of the person, and in this there is no such requirements. Okay, so there is 4 points which is written over there, and the first point will be your meaning, on the basis of which you can differentiate.